How to find font size settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK, then click Hub, here's it, and then click the storylines, and once you're here click settings, and here we'll find app settings, here's it, and that's it. As you see, font size, and here you can change it. We can make it normal, small, and then restart application and it will be changed. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.